Hey brother, can you do a video on how to crimp lugs without the wire coming out the lug before compressing the crimper? Yeah, I'll show you how to dress it up too. First thing we're going to do is we're going to grab some 4 gauge. Next, what I usually do is I like to measure. I take the lug just like this, and you know that the wire is only going to come to probably about that point. So I want to take my wire, come up here, do a measure, and then I want to strip the wire right where my thumb is at. Perfect. Next, I want to take the wire, push it inside. That's pretty dang close right there. I like to hold my lug, put it on the inside, and then right where I want to crimp it, I want to put a little bit of pressure on the crimpers already. And then I want to be pushing the wire inside that lug to make sure that it doesn't come out. As I'm doing that, giving myself a nice crimp with the number 4 right there on the front. And it's solid too. To show y'all how strong this crimp is, pull on the wire, pull it down.
I was literally hanging.
Okay. The only thing he was able to do was pull some of the insulation down off of my joint, but I'm not worried about that because like I said, we're going to clean it up, but that is a solid crimp. Now let's get it clean. Most of the stuff inside your engine bay is split loom, and split loom's okay, but I like using Tech Flex.